Hello guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan, and in this video let us do the unboxing and hands-on overview of the Fostex TM2 Bluetooth modular earphones. Now these support Qualcomm aptX and other high quality codecs. So here is the Fostex box. Inside the box you get this high quality pouch, the micro USB cable, few ear tips of various sizes, a FAQ manual and the Fostex sticker. So here you can see what all comes with the TM2. You can just pause the video and read the same. The Fostex TM2 is a unique modular Bluetooth earphone that sounds linear and well balanced. This has 6mm drivers and support Qualcomm Bluetooth aptX codec for high quality listening experience. So here is the Fostex TM2 in its charging box, and it feels really solid while wearing. It is built really well. This is a modular earphone and it can be connected to various other IEMs with the supported connectors. So you can see here is the charging pin that goes into the charging box. So you can see here is the modular option. You can remove the earbud and connect it anytime. So this is the MMC extra 2-pin adapter that has been sold separately, which you can buy with the Fostex TM2 so that you can enjoy your third-party IEMs with the Bluetooth connector of the same. So you can see the process is quite quick and this is very modular and feels pretty solid. So here we have connected the FiiO FH5 IEM with the Fostex TM2 and the Shure SE215, and they work really well and sound amazing with the connected Bluetooth adapter of the Fostex TM2. This is the charging box of Fostex TM2. Now this doesn't have an inbuilt battery, but they charge the Fostex TM2 when you keep them inside. They get fully charged in around 1.5 to 2 hours and give around 8 to 10 hours of battery life depending on the volume levels you are listening to. Pressing the button on the earphone for a few seconds will turn this on, and pressing it for a few more seconds will get it into pairing mode. You can see here we get the flashing light, which means it's pairing mode, and this can be connected to our smartphones. Overall on these earphones, the sound is quite linear and well balanced. This is the Fostex TM2 app, which shows the battery indicator on both of the earbuds, and it has a landscape mode which has ratings from -10 to +10, and they help in noise suppression according to the level you have set them in. You can also upgrade the firmware by just clicking the start button in the app. A detailed article review and the purchase link will in the description, so you can go and check that out. So guys, this was a quick video of the Fostex TM2. Give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel, this is Trendy Blog. So guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan signing off. I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.